The Nissan Leaf II features power folding side mirrors for convenience and protection. These mirrors can be folded in to reduce the car's width in tight spaces and prevent damage. The Leaf II's mirrors use electric motors to fold and unfold automatically. These power fold mirrors consist of several key components, including the electric motor that drives the movement. The system is controlled via a button located on the driver's side door panel. While manual folding is possible in emergencies, it's not recommended as it may damage the components. The system is designed for efficiency and seamless integration with the vehicle's electronics. First, ensure the Nissan Leaf II is powered on to activate the electrical systems. Next, locate the Fold-Unfold button on the driver's side door panel. It typically features arrows indicating folding and unfolding directions. Press and hold the button to fold both mirrors inward for parking. Release the button to unfold them back to the driving position. Watch or listen for confirmation that the mirrors have moved into position, ensuring they are properly aligned before proceeding. Remember to always unfold the mirrors before driving to ensure proper visibility and comply with safety regulations. In case of motor failure, you can manually fold the mirrors. Exit the vehicle, grasp the mirror base firmly, and gently rotate it inward. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the hinges. Only use this method if the electric function is not working. Power folding mirrors offer several advantages on the Nissan Leaf II. First, they reduce the vehicle's width for parking in narrow spaces, folding inward by about 4 to 6 inches per side. Second, folding improves aerodynamics, reducing drag for better fuel efficiency. Third, they protect mirrors from accidental damage in crowded areas. Finally, on the Leaf II, folding helps during automated charging. The Nissan Leaf II mirrors integrate seamlessly with vehicle systems for enhanced safety and convenience. When the ignition is turned on, the mirrors automatically unfold to ensure proper visibility for driving. The mirrors also unfold automatically when reverse gear is engaged, providing clear rear visibility for backing up. Built-in sensors enhance safety by preventing the mirrors from folding if an obstruction is detected nearby. The automotive industry is evolving towards more integrated mirror systems, with autofold features that respond to proximity sensors and environmental conditions. For the Nissan Leaf II, occasional cleaning of the mirror mechanisms helps prevent sticking, especially in cold climates. Always consult a certified technician for any major issues.